GetMyBabyMoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
This is Judge Bowden with Child Support Court, the Vodcast. Thank you for coming back today. Today's topic is very serious. As I was doing research for the show, I came across a case, and ladies and gentlemen, it simply hurt my heart. And it brings forefront to the issue of domestic violence and how child support rattles the very emotions of everybody. A woman and her 2-year-old are gunned down in front of a woman's aunt's home because of a mandate for $600 in child support payments.
Nishanti's family is mortified to learn the grim and petty reason Deron Boswell Johnson killed his angelic baby daughter.
See, if he had just shot the mother, the child support order would have stayed in place.
This baby was targeted.
She was executed. Yes, this was an intentional act. He walked next to her and put the gun to her head and shot not once but twice at close range. Those bullets were intended for Chloe.
In a tragic irony, according to Nishanti's family, Nishanti didn't actually want Deron's child support. It was mandated by the court.
Ladies and gentlemen, when you get together with someone and produce another life, before you even produce that other life, what you do is you start to entwine your emotions. And once that additional life comes, those emotions heighten on both ends for everybody. Now, I talk a lot about co-parenting. I talk a lot about communication. I talk a lot about people working together, but I want to talk today about understanding the need for safety when you enter into the relationships. A young girl at the age of 3 is gunned down. It was not the money. It was the psychological impact that came about when this father decided that his pride, his emotions, his feelings of whatever they were, insecurity, jealousy, hurt, anger, disappointment, lashed out enough to take the life that he created. You have to be careful, men and women. We'll talk about it in a minute when we come back from our sponsors.
Revenue collections piling up? Lacking the experienced manpower needed to complete jobs safely? Tired of experiencing risks due to low quality and inexperienced applicants? We can help end this cycle. The Success Center Recruitment and Consulting will benefit your company. We build real and transparent relationships between recruiter and hiring manager. Book a call today and begin the process of finding the right person to join your team.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back with you on a serious note today about safety, about the emotional drain and trauma that the issue of having a child brings, but the issue of having to pay just the money, the focus on the money brings. And the reality is, ladies and gentlemen, you don't know this other person until time goes by. And as you get to know them, there's signs that you need to be aware of. Signs which indicate that you need to cover your child and perhaps yourself. And it doesn't matter whether you're the male or the female. You have to observe the reality of mental illness, the reality that emotions make people do what you would never imagine. I'm sorry to have to bring this sad note to this show, but it's a reality you need to be aware of. Make sure you protect yourself and your child. Thank you for coming to Child Support Court, the Vodcast, with Judge Harry Bowden, and be safe.